All right, with that, let's get you more breaking updates now coming in. The Army Chief General Upendra Trivedi has put India's enemies on notice, saying whoever makes roadblocks for India's ride will be dealt with, and there will be a very strong and swift response because Bharat knows how to respond to any attack. He went on to say that Operation Sindoor 1.0 was just a trailer and the movie is yet to come.
1.0 तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए।
So this was the statement being made, warning India's enemies and making it clear that Operation Sindoor was just a trailer and that there is more to come. In fact, General Upendra Trivedi also went on to say that anyone who comes in the way of India's development or tries to derail the development in the country, they will be dealt with severely.
1.0 तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए।
So, in fact, he also went on to name and shame Pakistan, saying that 71% of the terrorists killed are from Pakistan. And on the mention of China, he said that there has been a significant improvement in the India-China relationship. My colleague Shinjoy Chaudhary joins us on the broadcast with the details. Shinjoy, clear message to India's enemies. The message being Operation Sindoor 1.0 was just a trailer and there's more to come.
Yes, that's exactly the point that General Trivedi has made, that Sindoor 1.0 was just the trailer. So if there are terror attacks, if there is efforts to destabilize India, then there is political will, most importantly, and the armed forces are ready to do whatever is necessary to protect the country. That's really the bottom line, that 1.0, it was just the trailer, and this was those 4 days of fighting with Pakistan when a large number of airfields were hit, and as the Air Force Chief, the Indian Air Force Chief said, about a dozen Pakistani aircraft were destroyed, mostly on the ground. The point is, this was the beginning, and if there is any attempt to further destabilize India, then India is ready for it. And he said this very deliberately. There is political will and equally importantly, there is the ability of the Indian armed forces to do the needful.
Okay, and India's message has been very clear, isn't it, Shinjoy? Zero tolerance on terror. Thank you for joining us with all those details.